second aisle. I'm gonna do two aisles because they're not that big. We're gonna start up with the Silver Sonic Warhead, Kona Cold, Let Freedom Rings, Sons of Liberty, prices. May I get down from there? Sons of Liberty, Autumn Storm, Seismic Zone. Oh, little nice 1-inch shells, Mighty Mites, Festival Balls, artillery shells. Of course, you all know about the Festival Balls, artillery shells, Wolfpack, Boomer, Mini Bomb, Flora Power, Skyfest, Echo in the Ear, Echo in the Ear, Rampant Shells, Radical Recoil Shells. Okay, alrighty. So we're gonna go show this one's Flying Proud, Tunguska Blast, Mass Detonation, Phantom X3. I like triple brakes, but let me see. I haven't seen that one yet, so I gotta go check them out. Heavy Fuel, Tropic Thunder, and their shells, the 1.3 grams. There you go. Look at that stuff. Can I touch it? Arrowhead Missile, Chinatown. There you go. All their novelties, salutes, M80s, Wolfpack firecrackers, all the good stuff they have. And Eye of the Storm, Thunder Bomb.
You been here before, sir?
Wolfpack, Grenade Crackers, Wolfpack, Jumping Jacks, $5 for that. Okay, some good stuff. We got the firecrackers, 100 strips, roller firecrackers. Wow, look at that. Wolfpack, 16,000 strips compared to, you know who. I have the Storm. Alright, so let's move on to the next one. Their missile batteries, Happy Planets, Red, White, and Boom, Gunner Mates, Hocus Pocus, Broken Heart, what's this one? It's like similar to Air Defense, Colortopia, Golden Fox, Semper Fi, Bait the Hook, Supersonic Warhead, Fiery Falcons, Firebase Alpha, Cascade of Color, Glitter Raider, Twinkling Barrage, Wicked Pizza, and Power Cell. We got Aerial Avalanche right there. Phantasm 2, Wild West, my brothers. Power Play, Up in Smoke, two different kinds. You got a purple one and then you have a red, white, and blue. And they're daytime fireworks. You don't see a lot of daytime smoke. Suspended, Flying Stars, Hootenanny, Shagadelic Mojo, Rain of Fire, Neat the Red, Neat the Red, White, and Blue, Electric Jellyfish, Love Fish by Pyro Planet, Silver and Gold Exchange, Midnight Monsoon, Machine Gun Shell, Solar Explosion, Pound Pyro, Platinum Pyro Fusion. There's the Skeeters right there, Molotov Cocktail, and yep. So I'll see you guys on the next part. That's it for the second part of this video. So I'll see you guys later. Okay, bye.